If you're looking to earn extra income in 2025, Fiverr is one of the best platforms to start a side hustle. With millions of clients searching for services every day, there are countless opportunities to turn your skills, or even simple abilities, into cash. The best part is you don't have to quit your day job. Fiverr allows you to work at your own pace, offering services that fit your schedule and interests. Even if you're a beginner, there are plenty of side hustle ideas on Fiverr. Popular options include graphic design services like creating logos, social media posts, or banners using free or easy to learn tools like Canva. Writing services are also in demand. You can offer blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or even simple proofreading. For those comfortable with tech, video editing, voiceovers, or AI generated content creation are trending services in 2025. Even beginners can start small with transcription, data entry, or creating basic presentations for clients. Fiverr also allows you to specialize in niche services. For example, you could offer custom resumes, virtual assistant services, social media research, or personalized messages. Many clients are willing to pay for creative or personalized solutions, and niches with less competition can help you stand out and earn faster. You can start with simple gigs and gradually expand your offerings as you gain experience, reviews, and confidence. Another strategy is to leverage AI tools to boost productivity. In 2025, AI powered design, writing, and video tools can help beginners create professional quality work even without extensive experience. By combining basic skills with AI assistance, you can deliver high quality results faster and take on more clients, increasing your side hustle income. The key to a successful Fiverr side hustle is to start small, deliver excellent work, and communicate clearly with clients. Positive reviews help build your reputation, attract more orders, and allow you to gradually increase your prices. Over time, even a few hours a week can turn into a profitable side income or a stepping stone toward a full-time freelancing career. In summary, Fiverr offers endless opportunities for side hustles in 2025. Whether it's graphic design, writing, video editing, virtual assistants, or AI powered services, there's something for everyone. By starting small, learning continuously, and focusing on quality and client satisfaction, you can turn Fiverr into a reliable source of extra income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips, ideas, and tutorials for earning online with Fiverr. Thanks for watching.